Namaste. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's topic is beware of lockdown. Of course, it is beware. We are all beware of lockdown. We are all beware of coronavirus. And we know very much about this particular lockdown. Presently, we are all house arrested, and in many parts of the world, still this condition is going on. Now, the present topic is the topic related to lockdown. The lockdown happened earlier many times, but of course not in this way at this much level, but it affected in a different way due to different type of viruses and bacterium like that SARS or Ebola and presently Corona. In previous times Jinka, and some time ago it was related to the AIDS like virus, and then different type of swine flu, different bacterium and viruses attacked on us in the world, and they caused to the deaths of millions. But present topic is a different one, is related to the lockdown. And if it is this lockdown, and the lockdown is that I am not feeling boredom due to the lockdown. It's actually so we are very much busy in learning something, and we are planning to what we are going to do for the students, etc. And at the same time, this lockdown we are staying inside and not able to come out and do something for the society, but our way we are doing. And the things that are happening in and around of us, that is like these particular conditions, that people who died because of the corona or COVID-19. And in this particular COVID, the people who are there, who are fighting continuously with this particular way of their service, just these are the frontline warriors whom we are calling them. These frontline warriors, such as the doctors, policemen, and the sanitary workers, and the details are updated every time by the media, etc. And among those people, some of them are now presently sufferers, and some already they breathed their last, they died. And this particular corona and this particular lockdown created so many troubles to the people, and people lost their livelihood, and they have to go back to their home on foot. That is also some hundreds of kilometers together they have to go on foot, and they lost the particular employment sources. Whatever the money they had with them, that was totally used or consumed or spent, and they thus became so it created poverty in our country, again not only of course in our country but also in the rest of the world. And then it is also believed that the people are taking that this is again going to be another economical depression. Yes, actually in the 1929-30, this particular economical depression once it had taken place. But this economical depression also is not the matter. The reason is that economical depression in 1929-30 took up, yes, but within the short span the world revived, USA revived, and by 1939 the World War II began, and again after the World War II the economy in the world totally collapsed, again revived. And more astonishing thing is that the country that affected by this particular World War II, that is Japan, on which especially the two cities Nagasaki, Hiroshima, Nagasaki experienced the nuclear weapons, the ill effects that it experienced. From that, within a short time, it sprang up or became the developed country. Now Japan is a competitor to United States of America in certain issues. So this economy also revived. So whatever the economical depression that is expected in the coming years of time, that we are not afraid of. But at the same time, there is a proverb: every black cloud has a silver line. That means behind every uh, certain pessimism, some optimistic ideas are also there. And here similarly the concept is that here on the other side, if we see that there are certain good things are happening in and around the world, the first and foremost thing is that the human relations became stronger. The man now started spending much of his time with his family members, and they are helping in the household activities, and they are spending the time with their children. The family members are presently happy, and some of the family members are reuniting after a long time, so that it is happening. So this is one of the good things that this particular lockdown and corona brought to us. And the other hand, we can say this particular people started showing this particular human values such as sympathy and empathy. Whoever are the people, they are trying to do something and feeling sorry of the mothers, and then they are helping in their level best. So this is what, and then helping hands are extended to the poor and the needy. Here the people are providing some money, food items, and then afterwards medicines, shelter, like that. Whatever the level they are able to do for something for the society, that they are doing at present moment. So this is also one side of the one of the topics related to the good thing that we can, that credit can be given to this particular corona and to this particular lockdown. And another important thing is related to the nature. The nature itself is reviving. It itself is repairing. So because of this particular condition, what is happening? And this particular thing is observed in under different sections. The nature, especially this particular water, air, etc., they are just purifying. So here you can see this one with the help of this coming of pollution into the controlled levels. The reason is that because of the lockdown, not many factories and manufacturing units are working. Of course, only very few, very important sectors are working, such as generating electricity, like that. Of course, they are emitting a little pollution, no doubt at all. But all the industries are not running, all the factories all the manufacturing units are not running in our country. So because of that, the pollution is not released, means the industries are not emitting or not releasing their effluents into water and air, so that they become pure. Especially the air pollution, and this air pollution is came to so much low level, that AQI, it is called air quality index. In many places it came down to 50. So especially if I take up the concept and an illustration of our Indian country, the astonishing things are that the people in Saharanpur in Uttar Pradesh and Jalandhar in as well as in Sitamarhi of Bihar state are able to see the Himalayan mountains, which are nearly 200 to 300 kilometers away from